Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM Python tutorial series, in this video we are discussing on the approach 3 of APM driver or session creation. Okay, or we can say APM driver or session initialization approaches here. Okay, so already we have discussed the approach 1 and approach 2. Okay, you can just find the videos links I have given in description. Okay, now we are going to discuss the approach 3, that is the dynamic capability approach. Let's see what exactly this dynamic capability approach to create the or to initialize the apm driver or session initialization into it here. Okay, so just go open the VS code. Already I have discussed the option based approach and load capability approach here. So third one, I create a script and they name this script as set capability approach here. Okay, that is a dynamic capability approach. I create here and just name this as set capability approach or dynamic capability approach. So I just say as dynamic capability approach. Capability approach. That's it. Okay, so we have created the file and we start coding here. Okay, first I want to write a comment. Okay, it's a dynamic capability approach for apm driver or session initialization. Initialization or creation. Okay, and see how we can able to do it here by using the dynamic capability approach. Okay, so for this one I had to use from apm package module. I had to import WebDriver, then from apm dot options dot android. So we are working on android, so I am importing the module apm options android. I want to import the UI automated to options class here. Okay, this is two lines of code for importing the packages and the class. Now I want to create a object, that is the options equal to UI automated to options. Okay, just wait. Options equal to UI options equal to UI automated to options here. Okay, now if you see in approach 1 what I used, I create object and I use these variables here: platform name, automation name. This is approach 1. In approach 2 I have created separate desired capabilities and then I have used the load capability method to pass these capabilities here. Okay, and then here in approach 3 what I will do, options dot set capability. We have a method called set capability. Okay, and this set capability method we need to pass the capability name, string and value here. So first mandatory capability, you know, right? It is a platform name. Platform name. What is the platform name? Okay, what is the platform name? We had to give the Android. For Android, we are working on Android, so we have to give Android. There is a mandatory capability, and one more capability is the options here. Options dot set capability. We are using the method called set capability method, and then we had to pass the second capability, that is the automation name. Automation name. Okay. Automation name. So for Android, we use UI Automator 2. UI Automator 2. These are the two capabilities we are defining for creating the Appium driver installation or session creation. Okay, so platform name Android, automation name UI Automator 2 here, and then use driver, the same thing, driver equal to web driver dot remote, and pass the local host and a default port here, and just provide options equal to options. That's it. If you run the script, it create a, it insides the driver or create a session. Could both. Okay. So you see in this approach, so this code I am push this in GitHub. Okay, I already have pushed this approach 1 and approach 2 script. Okay, this one also I push this to in the GitHub here. So if you see the code here, what I'm creating here, what I'm doing here, I am creating the object and I on options. In options, I am using a method, it is set capabilities method I am using, and I am passing the capability name and value here. This is the third approach. This is the dynamic capability approach. Okay, so you see here in first approach I am using like this. Okay, and second approach I am using the load capability here, and in third approach I am using the set capability method. Using set capability method I am passing the capability name and value here. So this is all about the third capability, and in next video we will see the fourth capability, that is a single line options creation approach. Okay, you'll see what how exactly creating single line here. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel, and I push this code in the GitHub here. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.